Very good afternoon. In previous lecture, we have discussed about the three-phase AC regulator. Right. Uh, I hope everybody got that waveform so that we can redraw all those things which are required to generate the firing pulses. Right. These are the some configuration which we have seen, like figure 1A and 1B, where three-phase AC regulator. In each phase, one regulator is installed and neutral is also available. In this case, these regulator can be controlled as single-phase AC regulator because individually they can control. Neutral is available. All right. Here as well, this when neutral is available. At the same time, here also you can see when neutral is not available, then it is not possible to control these AC regulator individually. It means one from the any one of the phase will conduct. For example, let us consider this TH1 is conducting. TH1 can conduct either with TH1, TH2 or TH1, TH6 or TH2 and TH6 both are conducting along with TH1. So we have also seen various configurations, or we can say various combination for this type of AC regulator when all phases are conducting. So we will have VRN as a phase voltage and VRY as a line voltage. Right? After this, we will decide how these means what would be the value of phase and line voltage when this type of situation arrives. But before that, we will see how the firing pulses are generated. Right? So as I have already given you this type of sheet, everyone please open this type of sheet so that we can understand how to draw firing pulses. Everybody is having this type of sheet. Please, anybody please tell me by unmuting your mic. Okay, Divyanshu is saying everybody is having. Okay, fine, very good. So this is the sheet which everyone is having. This is RN. Then we have YN. Then we have BN. Right? So this would be BN. Then so these are the phase voltages, right? We have to find out what is the limit of alpha and what should be the duration of the pulse for triggering particular thyristor, right? So we have to get the maximum output. TH1 0 is here, means alpha equal to 0 for TH1 at this point. Then this is for 2, this is for 3, this is for 4, this is for 5, this is for 6. Each device has to be triggered in their sequence with the interval of 60 degree. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so on and so forth. Likewise, we have, this is the RY voltage, this is the RB voltage, This is YB voltage. This is YB voltage. Then we have YR voltage. Then we have VR voltage. Then we have VY voltage. Then RY. It means before RY, BY is there. BY is there. And this is BR. I believe everybody is drawing the same waveform. Just because of you, I have started right from beginning. It is my sincere advice, do it with me. Don't think you will get the screenshot and you will learn. No, you won't learn. Right? And Mr. Subham Verma, you just turn off your audio. Right? Okay, fine. So, this instant is your firing angle, alpha equal to 0 here. I have simply extended this 0 angle to this, and you can notice very well that, for example, this ry voltage is drawn with respect to this. It is drawn with respect to this, right? So at 30 degree, it will, this means ry voltage is leading from Rn phase by 30 degree, which you can notice from here. This we have already discussed when we are studying this AC/DC rectifier, right? So I believe there should not be any confusion. If you have any problem, you just raise your hand or unmute yourself and tell me, right? So I believe everybody has drawn this. Now, let us say we want to trigger the device at an angle 150 degree. We want to trigger the device at an angle 150. So this is the 0 angle. This is the 0 angle, and we want to trigger this at an angle 150. So 60, 60.
सर थोड़ा ऊपर कर लीजिए, दिख नहीं रहा है नीचे से.
Oh, sorry. Okay, now right from beginning, that th, where the alpha is 0 for th1, we have projected this line, and this is alpha equal to 0. Vaishali, is it okay? You just confirm once. Is it okay?
Yes sir, yes sir, yes sir.
Okay. So
Yes sir.
okay, fine. You just unmute yourself. Alpha equal to 0 here, and for 150. So 60 is 60 and 30 and 30, right? This should be the alpha equal to 150. Means th1 has to be triggered. th1 has to be triggered at this instant. Am I right? It has to be triggered at this instant. Clear? Now we
हेलो
सर आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है।
नहीं आ रही है। हेलो अरे यार
क्या हो गया सर? आवाज आ रही है।
ग्राफ बनाया है क्या? आवाज आ रही है क्या?
50 मिनट की क्लास में 5 मिनट आवाज ही नहीं आती है।
ज्यादा
अरे
मत बोलो।
ग्राफ बनाया किसने?
अरे नहीं बनाया यार।
अरे
right? End point is fixed and left hand side portion is varying from here to here, 0 to 150. So maximum value of maximum alpha is 150. There is no point to give alpha more than 150 because in that case neither Ry is positive nor Rb is positive. So there is no chance that thyristor 1 can be conduct. It can conduct only with the thyristor 2 and thyristor 6. So there is no question of conduction of thyristor 1. That is therefore limit of alpha is 150. It is the maximum value of 150. Right?
सर अभी आपने क्या कहा है सर?
I am saying the maximum limit of alpha is 150. Why 150? As we have discussed, we have started from here. This is for alpha equal to, let me change the color. We have started from here 0 to 150, right? And we given pulse up to this duration. Why we have given this pulse up to this duration? Because thyristor 1 can conduct either with 2 or 6. If 6 conduct, we will have Ry. If 2 conduct, we will have Rb. And you can notice at this instant, Rb is also 0. So there is no question of giving the, means extending this pulse. It should be from starting from here and giving from up to this point. 60 degree duration is sufficient. 150 to this, to 10. Clear? See why we are doing all these things. You have remembered those things that we in single phase AC regulator we have to giving the pulse from alpha to pi. So we want to know which will be the end point of this firing pulse. So it is concluded from this discussion the end point is either Ry, where Ry is at ahead of 60 degree, or in case of phase voltage it is 30 degree ahead of phase voltage. Right? 30 degree ahead of phase voltage. Clear? So this point is fixed. Now if I say draw the firing pulse for 60 degrees, so 0 is this, 60 is this. So the pulse for thyristor 1, it will be like this. And the rest of the pulses, let me clear this. Let me clear this.
सर
Yes.
सर वीडियो आपकी रुक गई है। आ नहीं रही सर, वीडियो पॉज हो गई एकदम, जैसे मतलब बस आवाज आ रही है। नेटवर्क आपका वीक दिखा रहा है।
Video is not means wait.
वीडियो पॉज
नहीं सर सही है सर।
क्या नाम है इसका, प्रकाश, यू जस्ट चेक आपके वीडियो में उधर आपके नेटवर्क में थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम है बेटा। फाइन। सो फॉर एग्जांपल अल्फा इक्वल टू 0 इज हियर and I am saying draw the firing pulse for the duration, let us say 30 degree. Suppose I am saying draw the firing pulse for the 30 degree. As we have discussed, the end point is where this RB is also end. So end point is 6. End point is 6. And you have to draw for alpha equal to 30. So 0 is this, 30 is this. So you have to draw like this. Now this is for TH1, TH2, TH3, TH4, TH5, TH6, TH6. TH2 60 degree with the difference of 60 degree. It should be like this. It should be like this. Then TH3 is a 30, is a 60 degree per, with the difference of 60 degree from TH. TH4 is 60 degree from here. TH5 60 degree from here. Then TH6 is 60 degree from here. Clear? One thing again you should notice. After this, TH1 will start from here. That means you have to again start from here. Isn't it? After this, 30 and 30, 60 degree. TH1 has to be start. So TH1 has to be start from here. It means 60 is this, 30, 30 here is this. Each pulse is repeating itself after 120 degree. Just see. 60 is this, 30, 30 is this. So each pulse will repeat itself after 120 degree. Fine. So here 30, this is 30 and 60. So it will repeat itself here. It will repeat itself here. And this 30, 60, 30, it will repeat itself here. 30, 60, 30, it will repeat itself here. Why I am making it so fast? Because once I have calculated 60 plus 60, 120, 30 plus 30. That means total duration of this pulse is 180 degree. Total duration of this pulse is 180 degree. And it is repeating after 120 degree. Total duration is 180 and repeating each pulse after 120. Likewise here 30, 60 and this is 30 and it should be of duration of 180. 60, 60, 120, 30, 30, 180. So these are the firing pulse which are to be generated for firing angle 30 degree. For firing angle 30 degree. Now this meeting is going to be end within 1 minute because of constraint of this Zoom. If you have any doubt, let me know and we will again start another meeting. If you have any doubt, just ask me quickly, very quickly, please. Otherwise, this meeting is going to be closed. If you have any doubt so far, you can ask me. And in next class, we will draw firing pulses for various firing angle. We will draw firing pulses for various firing angle. My voice is audible. Bharat, जरा बताओ भाई.
सर वो मैक्स
हाँ ठीक ठीक ठीक. प्रकाश कुछ